Lithuania is a land of forests. In the prehistoric times, the forests were covering almost the entire country. Right now, however, that declined to a third. There is still one region of Lithuania, however, where forests prevail, where the population density is as low as that in Australia. That is the Dzūkija National Park, Lithuania's largest protected area. It is a land of seemingly endless pine forests, crisscrossed by 30 narrow rivers and streams and dotted by 48 lakes, all that enjoyed by anglers and kayakers. 54 mammal species and 198 bird species live there. The forest hosts occasional small villages with a feel of eras gone by. Soviets have not established their collective farms here, and new construction has been limited, meaning that wooden, of course, homes built at the late 19th or early 20th century prevail, with large traditional wooden crosses lining the unpaved main streets. Zervynos is a good example of such a village. People's life in what is now the national park has been always intertwined with the forest. Berry and mushroom foraging, legal and free for everybody, is still a source of food and income, though no longer the primary one. Hallowed pines dot the area. They had been used by beekeepers decades or centuries ago. Equally numerous are the remains of Stone Age and Bronze Age settlements from the past millennia. During the Soviet occupation from 1944, the forest became a home to thousands of people forced out of their villages who joined the guerrilla campaign for Lithuanian freedom. Massive woods provided shelter for years, but sadly the partisans were defeated by the late 1950s. Graves and crumbling entrenchments are their sole remains. Entry of Dzūkija National Park is free, but some activities, such as kayaking and angling, need permits. Headquarters of the park is at Marcinkonys, the area's largest village, where the park museum and a nice wooden church dating to 1880s is also located. The double cross that stands in front of Marcinkonys church has been a symbol of Lithuanians in the linguistically heterogeneous Dzūkija area. South of the Dzūkija National Park lies an extensive Čepkeliai swamp, 110 square kilometers in size. It is one of the most carefully guarded natural areas of Lithuania. The possibilities to access Čepkeliai swamp through its main entrance path shown here are limited and may depend on the time of the year. Still, with many paved roads and bicycle routes and even a railway route, the Dzūkija National Park is also very accessible to visitors, offering everybody a unique glimpse of how the massive prehistoric Lithuanian forest looked like.